We've seen quite a lot of wet and windy weather this week as Storm Abigail battered the UK. Helen has joined me in the studio and you're going to tell us a little bit about what's happened with our weather the last few days.
Yes, indeed. Well, we've got the jet stream right across us at the moment and it's meandering around as it does so. And every time it meanders, it can bring a new storm into us. And it's been keeping us on the mild side of the jet stream, hence why we've seen much higher temperatures than you would expect at this time of year normally.
And it's not over yet, as we have ex-Hurricane Kate now on the doorstep.
Absolutely. So this is just another low pressure system caught up in the jet stream, and this one obviously is an ex-hurricane, but it has weakened, so it is not going to be hurricane force strength, but it will bring some very, very wet weather this weekend. And there's more to come beyond that. Even into the beginning of next week, we have areas of low pressure coming in.
Well, let's talk about the jet stream for a moment, because you were telling me a little earlier that there is a change in the offing, and our weather's been driven by the jet stream lately. And that change is going to have an effect.
Yeah, absolutely. It looks as though all the way through this weekend and for the first part of next week, the jet stream will just keep meandering and will keep giving us areas of low pressure. But by the time we get to next weekend, so the following weekend, the jet stream is going to have a sharp dig down on it all the way from Greenland, all the way down right into the north of Spain. And that puts us on the cold side of the jet stream, and so we could see some much lower temperatures than we've been used to of late, you know, maybe even 1 or 2 degrees above freezing in northern parts of the United Kingdom, sort of in the exposed areas. So a real chill could be on the cards as we head through not this weekend but the following one.
And that's very interesting, because we did say in our November outlook that we would see the first signs of winter as we go into the end of the month. And is that then likely to happen with that? Are we looking at widespread snow?
Oh, you're pushing me now. The problem is we're looking so far ahead. So although we've got indications that this jet stream will put us on the cold side of it during the following weekend, it looks as though then it will reassert itself in the pattern we've been used to, and we may see some areas of low pressure coming in. The interesting thing will be if that cold air sits up for a day or two, as the areas of low pressure come in, the rain could potentially turn to snow for some. It's a long way off yet, but of course, as always, we will keep you updated.
We will indeed, and in fact, if you want to keep updated on this story or any of the stories we're covering at the Weather Network UK, do check the website or download our app.